Hi there, in this video you will learn about how to bulk add Google Calendar resource features with xFanatical Foresight. Manually adding resource features to Google Calendar rooms like whiteboards, video conferencing, or accessibility tools is time-consuming and inefficient in the Google Admin Console. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, IT admins can bulk add calendar resource features in just a few clicks. This no-code automation tool streamlines the process, ensuring efficiency, accuracy, and better resource discoverability for users. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Add Calendar Resource Features template and click on it. In the Bulk Add Calendar Resource Features page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, a dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Add Calendar Resource Features will display. Click on the Next button and click on the Review button. In the Review screen, customize the rule name and click on the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go to the Templates page of xFanatical Foresight. Search Bulk Add Calendar Resource Features template and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV file button, or if you set up automation from scratch, please just use the CSV file which you have created. Customize the file with features you want to add to Google Calendar resources. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload icon of Copy of Bulk Add Calendar Resource Features rule. Upload the CSV file created and wait until you receive a success notification. Click the notification icon and click on View Log button. In the log, you can see the calendar resource feature has been created successfully. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.